All right, closer to home, the bail hearing against pig farmer Zacharia Olivier has been postponed to the 22nd of this month. However, the Mankweng Magistrates Court also postponed the matter pertaining to the second and third accused, that's Rudolf and William Musora, to a date in February next year after they abandoned bail. Katlego Nyoni is part of our team watching developments and joins us now live from just outside court. And Katlego, take us through the reasons why Zacharia Olivier's matter has been postponed this time.
Well, hi there again. There are two dates here to remember: the 22nd of November, which is when Zacharia Olivier will be back this time around at the Polokwane Regional Court A. This is for a formal bail application. We understand that in the matter pertaining to Rudolf as well as Zimbabwean national William Musora, they will then be back at court next year on the 18th of February. Perhaps to get a breakdown of exactly what transpired inside court, let me bring in defense attorney representing Zacharia Olivier, that is Andries Rieder. Mr. Rieder, thank you very much for your time. A bit of a complication. Please break down to our viewers and anyone following this matter really as to why two separate court dates. It appears that there might be two separate matters. Are the three not charged in common purpose?
At this stage, the charge of common purpose is not relevant. What is happening at this stage? Accused number 2 and 3 decided not to proceed with a bail application at this stage. So the main case, has been postponed to February next year. All three accused will then appear, but that was postponed for further investigation. Only accused number 1 will now proceed with a bail application, which will proceed on the 22nd of November of this year. So it's not that the cases has been separated, it's just that accused 1 and 2 do not intend to proceed with a bail application at the stage where accused number 1 is reserving their right to probably proceed with a bail application possibly at a later stage. And
why is that? Does it mean William Musora and Rudolf have abandoned bail? What does it mean legally?
They have not indicated that they abandoned bail, so they have probably reserved their right to possibly proceed with bail at a later stage. But I do not represent them, so I cannot give you specific information as to what their intentions are. What I can tell you is that they have not abandoned bail. That was not indicated in court at this stage. They only indicated that they will not proceed with a bail application with us, and that we will proceed with our bail application as on the 22nd on our own.
All right, thank you very much. Let me bring in the National Prosecuting Authority spokesperson in Limpopo, that is Mashudu Malabi Jangi. You just heard there, they've not really abandoned bail. So which matter has been postponed for further investigation and which one has been postponed for formal bail application?
In respect of accused number 2 and 3, they are no longer proceeding with their bail application. So the matter of 3 accused, including the one who's doing the bail application, is coming back on the 18th of February 2025. So accused number 1, Mr. Olivier, is the one who's doing the bail application. So the matter is coming back on the 22nd of November 2024.
Mashudu Malabizangi, thank you very much. That's the spokesperson for the NPA in Limpopo, Mashudu Malabizangi. As you heard, accused number 2 as well as accused number 3, these are farm employees at that farm in Sebayeng where the remains of 2 women, Maria Makato as well as Kuta Ndlovu, were discovered in a pigsty after their remains were allegedly fed to pigs at that farm in Orvewacht. We are waiting to see what will transpire on the 22nd of November when accused number 1, that is the 60-year-old pig farmer Zacharia Olivier, makes a formal bail application, but he is expected to cut a loan figure there in the stand, as the 2 co-accused will only be returning to court for the overall case when it resumes next year in February on the 18th, but will not be proceeding with that particular bail application at the moment. Back to you, Ayanda.
Katlego Nyoni, thanks very much indeed. We'll certainly keep watching that story with you as it continues to unfold. Katlego Nyoni reporting live there from Mankweng in Limpopo.